Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fold an elliptical parachute.
First is make sure it's right side out. This should be on the inside, so make sure that that is on the inside. And then we're gonna start. This is usually done with 2 people, but this one's small enough that I can do it just by myself. So you'll just take each gore here and fold it over onto the next one, and then make sure you can do all the way along, and then straighten it out, and just do that with all of them. Make sure that, like, as you're folding it, that you kind of run your hand along it and make sure you get as much of the air out as you can. That'll just help you pack it a little bit tighter. So this is the end here. So now that we've folded it all into a nice little triangle, we're actually going to unfold it halfway. So this is an 8 gore parachute. So it's got 8 shot lines. So we're going to take 4 of those and open it back up to the middle. Just make sure it sits all nice and together. And then we're gonna fold the other direction. So we're gonna take and go like that. I know it's kind of hard to see here, but there are some like small holes in this parachute. That is not big enough to patch. It's gonna be fine. You can just fly with a hole that small, it doesn't matter. Especially because this is a drogue chute. So now that you have it like this, you're gonna take all your shroud lines together and you're gonna make a figure 8 inside. So you want to leave like somewhere between 1 and 4 inches. Don't go more than 4 inches, and you want to have it as close to like 2 inches, probably 1 or 2 inches as you can. So now that you have all your shroud lines in there, you're going to fold this over, so a third at a time. So you're going to fold it over like that, and then fold over the other side like that, and then you're going to fold it in a Z fold. So you fold like that, and then like this, and there you go. And then you're gonna tape a, remove a 4-flight tag on there, and then you're ready to go.
That's how you fold an elliptical parachute. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments.